In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a PDF using Gmail or Outlook. This can be extremely useful for archiving important communications or for easy access later on. Whether you're trying to store a confirmation, a receipt, or just want to keep a digital record, saving your emails as PDFs can come in handy. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First, open the email that you want to save as a PDF. This is the foundational step, as it ensures that the email content you wish to preserve is right in front of you, ready for the next steps. So, make sure you have it open in your Gmail or Outlook account. Next, once your email is open and you're ready to proceed, locate the print icon, which is usually found in the top right corner of the email interface. In Gmail, this can easily be accessed by clicking on this print icon directly. If you're using Outlook and don't see the print option right away, you might need to click on the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu, and then you'll find Print in the drop-down menu that appears. Selecting Print doesn't send your email to an actual printer, but rather brings up a dialog box allowing you to choose various options for saving or printing. Once the Print dialog box has popped up, you need to focus on changing the Destination or Printer setting. This is key. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, we're going to convert it into a digital format. Look for an option that says Save as PDF. This setting tells your computer or device that instead of producing a hard copy, you'd like to generate a PDF document of the email. Make this selection, ensuring that your destination is now set to Save as PDF. Finally, with the destination set correctly, proceed by clicking Save. This will initiate the process that converts your email into a PDF file. At this stage, you will be prompted to choose a location on your computer or device where you'd like to store the PDF. You can also give your PDF a name, perhaps something descriptive that will make it easy to identify later on, like Important Email September 2025, or whatever suits your organizational needs. Once you've selected the folder and entered the file name, confirm it by clicking Save. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your email as a PDF file. Now you'll have a high-quality, easily accessible digital copy of your email right where you need it. Keeping digital records this way ensures that your important emails are not only organized, but also safe from accidental deletion or loss. Thanks for watching and following along with this quick and easy tutorial.